I know what your wife wants to hear, and it's not I'll do better. It's not I'm trying, and it's definitely not excuses, and even I'm sorry. She wants to hear this. I see how I hurt you, and I'm not going to argue with your experience. When I didn't show up for you the way that you hoped, you must have felt lonely and confused, maybe dismissed. Tell me more. What was going through your mind? What are you still holding on to? What does that say to a woman? That says you give a shit, that you care enough to listen about what you did wrong and lean into it. She wants to feel like her emotions land somewhere instead of bouncing off your crappy defensiveness. And tone matters just as much as the words, my friend. If your instinct is to tell her how she's wrong or why you did what you did, that's really teaching her that her safest bet is to keep quiet and get her validation from somewhere or sometimes someone else.